Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV One, and today I have a different video for you guys. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to look into a Disney subscription box for a really long time, and Walt Life very kindly sent this over to us, so I cannot wait to check it out and see what's inside. So yeah, I'm also going to be posting some pictures on our Instagram as well, so make sure you're following Resort TV One on Instagram as well. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so they have several different boxes that you can purchase. I'm not quite sure what box this one is, we're going to find out, but they have different levels, you know, for your budget. They also have just one for snacks, and it's all Disney. So I think one of them had where you can get a couple things from the Disney parks, or just Disney licensed items, different things like that. But yeah, I can't wait to see what this is. But we did fill out a little questionnaire. You know, you can tell if you're male or female, your age group, and if I do sound a little funny, I'm sorry guys, I do have a little cold. So anyways, let's get started. So I'm so excited. First of all, check out this amazing box. When this came to our P.O. box, I was so excited. It looks like a little treasure box. So it says Walt Life Special Delivery. Did I say that right? Eerie delivery. I love it. So cool. And there's little Tinkerbell up in the corner, and there's the treasure chest, what this looks like. And of course the top of it says, "Your Walt Life adventure begins." Love that. And then on this side we have, hopefully my camera, there we go, is focusing. We have Hercules and is it the Pegasus, his horse? I should know the name of that. And then we turn it around again and we have some characters from the Lion King, which is amazing. Sorry for the glare. We have Rafiki, Pumbaa. It says wow. And then one more side over here. And we have Dumbo and a circus ticket. So, first of all, very highly impressed with the packaging. Turn it this way so it's not upside down. Very, very impressed with this packaging, and I can't wait to dig in and see what they sent us. Alright, let's open it up. Cannot wait. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas. That's why I was so excited to get a subscription box, because I mean, you have no idea what's in there, and it's all Disney, so I know I'm gonna love it. I mean, how can you not love Disney stuff, right? So, alright, let's open it up. Let me see here. I'm going to try to do this so that I can show you as I open it. Ooh, we got confetti paper. Ooh, check this out. Isn't that cool? I love that. All the colors, the balloons up there at the top. Really cool box. So, yeah, and I can't really see a lot of the items in here yet, but we're going to check them out. Let me give you a little glance inside the box. So there's a lot of paper confetti in there. Can see a couple things hidden, but I can't wait to get in there and check them out. Alright, let's check out the box a little bit more. So, right here it says, "Once upon a dream," with the castle. Isn't that cool? And then up here, there's a couple more quotes. It says, "Any day spent with you is my new favorite day." Love that. And then over here, "My dream wouldn't be complete without you in it." That's so cute. I love it. And then down here it says, "Bring it on," with the llama. I love it. That's awesome. And of course, oh, and Adventure is out there. Did I say that one? Maybe I did. And that's one of my favorites. I love Up. Really cool. It says, "Walt Life, live your Disney story." So snap, post, and win. Take a photo of your box. Post on our Facebook or tag us on Instagram. And random winners will be notified. So that's pretty cool. So share your Walt Life adventure with us at Facebook, and enter to win an awesome prize. Very, very cool. The packaging is amazing. I love it. All right, let's dig in. So first thing I'm spotting right here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out of the confetti. Ooh, a pair of Disney socks. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. So let's check those out. I'm gonna lay the box down here for a second. So we have, oh, these are amazing. I love these. So they are black and white and red, and they are Minnie Mouse. Super cute. So they're not long, which I like. They're like the normal size socks, and they have the I'm losing what this is called right now. I don't know why, because I work in fashion, but the red and white pattern here. Houndstooth, there, I knew it was gonna come to me. So we have the houndstooth pattern here at the top in the black and white, and then Minnie Mouse with her beautiful big red bow. Super cute. And of course you have 2 pair. Here's the back and the front. Oh, these are super cute. I love these. Wow, okay, I'm already excited. Like these, they match my ears, right? Already. All right, so there's our first item. And let's keep digging. Digging. I'm trying to hold it so you can see it. And oh my goodness, I'm so excited. He is so cute. So I love plushies and I love dogs. If you guys watch our channel at all, I have, you know, little Chloe, she's my baby. So check it out. Oh my word, it's a little Pluto plushie. Wow, okay, this is adorable. I am so excited to add him to my collection. He is super cute. Look, he's even got his little tongue out. Let's see if I can get a better close-up for you guys. It'll focus. Look at his face. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. And every once in a while, Chloe will do this with her tongue, so this is perfect. Reminds me of my little Chloe. And look at his big feet. Oh, this is adorable. So it says Disney Tiny Big Feet Pluto. And it looks like it retailed for $5.95. I'm thinking that these were a Disney Parks item. I'm not quite sure because it doesn't say it on it, but I'm thinking I've seen them before. And I don't think this one is a Disney Parks item, but Disney item, of course. And I love it. I am so excited. He is so cute. So those are 2 of the items we have so far. Hold this back up so you can kind of see, dig in here a little bit more. Ooh, okay, I found something. I am so excited. Oh my goodness. Check it out. It's a lip smacker Tsum Tsum. I always say these wrong. I'm sorry, guys. Tsum Tsum. I know it's one of those, and I always second guess myself of which one it is, and then I say the wrong one. But anyways, you know what I'm talking about. And it's a lip smacker, and it's Tinkerbell. Okay, so Tinkerbell is another one of my favorite characters. I have a lot of favorite characters, but I love Tinkerbell. So awesome. And yeah, and then it's lip smackers too. This is so cool. So let's see. I don't know if it says the flavor. Tinkerbell lip smacker, best flavor forever. Lip balm inside. Wow, and it looks like it was a Christmas one, which Christmas wasn't too long ago. Oh, here we go. It's enchanted candy apple flavor. Ooh, I'm excited. So hopefully there's not too much of a glare there for you guys. You can see Tinkerbell. That is awesome. And again, this is not a Disney Parks item, but again, a Disney item. Very cute. I love all 3 things so far. This is amazing. So let's see if I can get through the rest of this without making too much of a mess. I don't want my doggy eating all this paper stuff. Ooh, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the floor. Okay, so it looks like we got a couple more things in our box. So let's, ooh, check this out. Okay, Disney Villains Color Pop Luxe Lipstick. Wow. You can see it there. It looks like Cruella de Vil on the front. I'm pretty sure that's who that is. There you go. Wow, this is awesome. Okay, let's open it up. So it looks like it's a lipstick, Color Pop. I've seen these before. Ooh, bright red. All right, this is cool. This is awesome. Let's see. I don't wear a ton of lipstick, but you know, I could start. It matches my ears, right? Wow, that is red. That is super red. So I don't know if I'll ever wear this, but maybe. Maybe I'll venture out there. Maybe for Dapper Day. We'll see. So I'm very plain when it comes to my makeup, but this is cool. I like it. Something I can give a try, and it's really cool packaging. So awesome. All right, so there is our 4th item. I think I see one more. Yep, we got one more item in here. Ooh, this is pretty. So it's a Kingdoms and Castles necklace. Wow, that's really pretty. And this is from Disney Parks. It says it on the back. So we have, looks like Cinderella and a slipper. and her tiara. And it's on a blue necklace, which I like. Very pretty. Very Cinderella. Let me look at it this way a little bit. So yeah, it looks like we have a pumpkin, her tiara, Cinderella, a glass slipper, and what's this one? Oh, a clock. Oh, very cool. So yeah, it's from the Kingdoms and Castles collection, and it looks like it retailed for $29.99. So yeah, very pretty. That's awesome. I do like that a lot. So yeah, I'll have to figure out what outfit to wear this with. Very cute. All right, well, oh, there's one more thing it looks like in our box. We have, oh, this is cool, a bookmark. So it says Walt Life right there, an exclusive Disney fan club. And on the back is a little maze. That's awesome as well. I like that. Very, very cool. And then it looks like one more thing in here. Welcome to the Walt Life family. So it's a little paper. You just joined an exclusive Disney fan club that is here to send you all the Disney fun that you'll ever need. We are so excited to curate special boxes every month filled with officially licensed Disney and Disney Parks goodies that are specifically chosen with you in mind. We're excited to create your happily ever after. Get ready to love our box as much as we loved making it for you. Alrighty, this is awesome. I love this. We would love to hear about your Walt Life journey. Feel free to leave us a review on Facebook or waltlife.com. Very cool. And then there's a personal shopper on here, and it says, if you have any issues, let me know. This is awesome. Very cool. Okay. And it looks like there's something else here in the bottom. Ooh, all right. So there's a little coin that says, collect all 8 Walt Life coins and win a trip for 2 to Disney World. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. So a little coin here, treasure coin, and Walt Life Treasures game board on the back. So this was at the bottom of the box, and if you flip it over, here is your game board. So this is where this will go. Collect all 8 of the Walt Life coins and win a trip to Disney World. So I have A. So I have the A, and so you have to collect all of the letters for Walt Life. That's awesome. That's really cool that you could win a trip. Amazing. All right. Well, that is my subscription box today, guys, from Walt Life. Again, I am super pleased with what I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, plus the bookmark would be 6, and the little coin. I don't know if you count that, but that's, you know, entering into a giveaway there. So very, very excited about the things that I got in my box. Again, my very first subscription box, so I didn't really know what to expect. But I love it. Yeah, so I would see if I have to pick a favorite item, would probably be little Pluto, because he is just so stinking cute. I love it. So yeah, he would probably be my favorite. And then the one thing that, you know, I might not use is probably the lipstick, even though it's really cool. I don't really use a lot of lipstick, but hey, I might start. You never know. So yeah, again, pretty cool. I loved it all. So I would highly recommend Walt Life subscription box if you're looking for a new subscription box and want a little more Disney in your life. Pretty cool. Loved all the things that I got. Alright guys, so I would highly recommend Walt Life subscription box if you are looking for a new one, or if you haven't ever tried one out before. Really cool. Loved all the things that I got. And again, they have different levels for your budget, and they even have one that's all Disney food, which is pretty cool. That one would be fun as well. So go check them out at waltlife.com. And we have a coupon code as well, guys. So our coupon code is ResortTV110. So ResortTV110. And you will get $10 off your entire purchase, which is, that's a lot. $10 off, you guys. So if you want to check it out, use our coupon code ResortTV10 at waltlife.com. And I'll leave all this information in the description as well, so you can find the link and find our coupon code as well. So alright guys, I think that's it. Yeah, make sure you go check them out, see what kind of things that they have, and let me know out of the items that I did receive, which one was your favorite. Again, I got the little Pluto, was my favorite. I got the little Tinkerbell Zoom Zoom or Sum Sum lip smackers. I got a Villains ColourPop lipstick and the Minnie Mouse socks, which I also love. And then the Cinderella necklace, which is also very cool. And then of course the little bookmark and maze on the back there. Let me know in the comments down below which one you really liked out of the items that I got. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and if you want to see more unboxings like this. And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney planning advice. And also, go check out Victor Naraki. He is a realtor here in Central Florida. If you've ever dreamed about living near the magic, check him out at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/NarakiRealtor. Make sure you tell him Resort TV 1 sent you. And if you want to save money for your next Disney vacation, check out cordcuttersnews.com. They can help you save money on your cable bill. Check them out at cordcuttersnews.com or youtube.com/cordcuttersnews. And a big thank you again to Walt Life for sending us this box. I love it. So cute. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.